Oh. Let's try again. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Better. And today, as you can see, the camera is violently shaking because I'm on the bed and I'm bouncing on it right now. But today we are going to be looking at this, what I like to call BTS Box, I guess. Anyway, let's just get right into this, and I told you the setup is temporary. Okay, so this is what I like to call a BTS box. I've never seen anybody do this before, but I just randomly got the idea because I'm an army. It was over here. I don't know. Yeah. Sorry. Anyway, I made this today. It was just like a plain white little wooden box that opens up like this. And what I did was I painted it this cream color. It used to be a different white, but now it's just this cream color. It's a little messy. But then I made a template and I drew it on. Well, I made the template over the iPad. Like, I grabbed the iPad, I grabbed a picture of the logo, and I put a little napkin over it. Then I traced it out. Then I cut out like the little flap things, I guess. And then I put it over the box and I traced over it and added some glue into the trace. You can kind of see some little mistakes there that I didn't erase. Then I just added some glitter and I outlined it in a Sharpie, and then I wrote BTS with a Sharpie. And added some protective glue on top as well as all over the box. Then on the sides, I wrote all the names of the members. So I wrote RM. V's name was a little too long to write here. Suga, Jin, J-Hope, Jungkook, and Jimin, and then it just repeats all over again. Jungkook is my favorite. I'll insert a picture of him right now. Yeah, I love that picture. It's so funny. Jungshook. Anyway. So I just wrote it all around the box. That part is also covered in glue to protect it. Then I put like these little gemstone glue strip thingies all around it. And yes, they're different pieces. Sorry about the background noise. And then I just put these little stick-on gems on the sides. And then going inside I wrote my name. And then this was inspired by the dynamite, the BTS dynamite. Except I didn't have any blue paint here because my grandma doesn't have any blue paint. So it looks a little weird. And then I just have this random splotch of glitter, I guess. And then that's about it. And then it's outlined in Sharpie. So basically the whole point of this box was just to like have fun and to make it. And I'll probably put like some little trinkets and stuff. Maybe like some BTS stickers. But yeah, so I just felt that I needed to record this for some reason. So there you guys go. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. And I will see you guys Wednesday. Bye!